Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum. So people ask me what I have for my breakfast, and I always tell them I always have a lemon and lime in the morning. I have made a YouTube all about the benefits of lemon and lime. Please check it out. And then I have a green smoothie full with spinach and kale and avocado and all that good stuff. Let's get into it.
Why do I think of you in colors orange, yellow, blue? I can't get you off.
And this morning I'm gonna have a green smoothie, and you can see in here I've got lots of fruit, bananas, apples, kale, spinach, all that good stuff. And now I'm gonna add some more good stuff, linseeds, but I got some spirulina. This is some wheatgrass. This is called pumpkin seed almond butter. So packed with lots of goodness. Fresh ginger, chia seeds, up to the lime. I apologise for the erratic nature of my videos at the moment. As you know, I lost my mum, and then we lost another family member just recently. So we're kind of managing a lot of things at the moment. But I am trying to get these videos to you, and we're a little bit down in the dumps. So what we decided to do was just to cheer ourselves up. We went to one of these trampoline parks, and they discovered how competitive I was.
JB, going head to head. They're going head to head. Who's gonna win? And go! Come on, Adri! Adri, come on! Get stuck in! Go on, Bev! That's it, dash her off! Come off the team! Go! Go! I'll go! Don't get in! Remember me funny, you know? Oh! Go on then! Go on then! That's it, that's right.
Again, operation.
That's right.
As you can see, I had to mash up my brother Pete Andrew. So this smoothie recipe is really just an opportunity for me to share with you what I have for breakfast, and also to encourage you to try and add more green things to your diet. It'll make you feel good and more healthy and all that good stuff. I have mine every day, but 2 or 3 times a week is not bad either. Guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon. Oh, and comment. Don't forget to comment. Tell me what you think. See you soon.